loves, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Emelda Nzekwe. If this is your first time of coming, you are highly welcome. Keep coming back, keep supporting your girl, keep showing me some love. Subscribe if you haven't. If you are a returning subscriber, you know I love you. Keep coming back. Yeah, if you haven't followed me on my Instagram account, follow me at Emelda_makeover. Let's catch up, let's have fun together. Join the family. Alright, so guys, in today's video we'll be using some of my drugstore makeup products to achieve a flawless look. Yeah, so if you are interested, which you should be interested in, then you definitely want to keep on watching. Let us swipe right into the video. We finally hit our 200 subscribers. Thank you for showing me the love. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for all the love and the care and the support and everything. I really appreciate it, guys. I'm so duper happy. First and foremost, guys, I'll be cleaning my face with my baby wipes. And then I'll be using my Stay Matte. Rimmel Mattifying Primer, face primer, to prime my face. I really love this primer. It really stays well. It sticks so well to the skin. Like, I love it. Really love this primer. Yeah. Next, I'm using my V Beauty Planet foundation, and this is in the shade B Chestnut. So yeah. Using my beauty blender to blend the foundation into my skin. Yeah. So next, I'll be using my Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to highlight. You already know that I love playing with makeup, so don't be offended. I'm taking your time. So guys, this is my little way of saying thank you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for referring my links to your friends, sharing my links to your friends. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Mwah. So guys, to contour, I'll be using this highlighting and contouring palette. This is from my color. I don't know if you can see it very well. Yeah. So yeah, I think I've had this for a very long time. I've not really been using it, but because I'm doing this tutorial, I decided to just bring it out. So I'll be using it to contour. Actually, I'm using this dark shade over here. So this product is very thick, so if you are to use it, you have to blend Like you have to do a whole lot of blending. That's why I don't usually use it. But then I decided to use it today. Just have to blend it very well. For the contouring. So the next product I'm gonna be using is my setting powder, and I'll be doing that with my Sacha Buttercup Setting powder. I'll be using my classic eye pencil. Okay. So to conceal, I'm using my two Elegant Pro concealers. I'm using this Fawn for the down part, and I'm using Chestnut for the upper part. Yep. Alright, so for the upper part, I'll be going with my chestnut like I said earlier. If you love my brows, I'll definitely leave a link of how I do my brows on this video, so that you can actually go and learn, watch and learn. I'm gonna prime my eyelid with my Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. So guys, I'll be using my eyeshadow. This is quite affordable actually, so I'll be using it. Okay, I'll be using this color as my transition color. This particular color that I'm using, I've not really used it before. This is actually the first time I'm using it, and I'm really loving it. I'm really loving the the texture and everything. It's nice for a transition color. Alright, so I'll be going in with this color. I use it quite often. I love it. Really love the softness of this eyeshadow. You should try get your soft one. It's quite affordable. So I'll be using this my Miss Rose. Yeah, it's kind of a liquid glitter. I'll be applying it at my tear duct. Using my eyeliner gel from Huda Beauty. Okay, so guys, I'll be making use of a powder palette that I got recently, and that is Zion powder palette. Yeah, so I'll be using this shade right here. I'll be mixing it with this. So this and this to dust off the excess shirting powder. Back to the pack. I'll be using my top gum to apply my lashes, and I'm using this lashes, this one right here. Love these lashes. It's nice, honestly. Oh guys, for my lips I'll be using this product right here. It's actually gifted. Let me see. Okay. Okay, I think this product is from a sock of colors. I can't really tell because the gum here covered the name. Okay, so it was actually gifted, and I'll be using it to line my lips. Okay, that's it for the lips. So I'll be using this my all over bronzer from Miss Yahoo. I'm gonna apply my blush. Looking so thick away. I can feel my head some. Using my Naked mascara under my eyelash. So guys, this is basically it for today's tutorial. I hope you love it. I achieved this flawless look using some of my drugstore makeup products. So please, if you love this video, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment. Anything you would want me to create, make sure you drop it on the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay loved, stay blessed, stay fabulous. You know I love you. Mwah.